One of the most heartbreaking moments I see as a loan officer is when a client walks in confident because their phone app says they have a 750 credit score, only to find out their actual mortgage FICO score is significantly lower, which can completely change their loan options. The problem is that apps like Credit Karma use a scoring model called VantageScore, which is great for credit cards, but is almost never used by mortgage lenders who strictly rely on the FICO model to assess risk. These two algorithms weigh your debt and payment history differently, meaning that the number you are looking at right now might be 20 to 50 points higher than the reality, which leads to a nasty surprise when you finally apply. You do not need to fly blind or be afraid that checking your real score will hurt you because I can perform a soft credit pull that gives us your true mortgage FICO score without impacting your credit profile at all. Stop guessing based on a generic app and let us look at the real data so we can build a plan to get your score exactly where it needs to be for the best interest rate. So call me, Duane Buziak at Coast2Coast Mortgage Lending, and let us get you mortgage ready today.